In this video, I will be showing you how to create a new account profile in Google Chrome browser. So let's get started. For this, to the rightmost top, you will be having this profile icon. You can simply click this, and here we are having add Chrome profile. If you don't have this option, here we are having the three dots icon. Click it. Here we are having your Chrome, and here also we are having add new profile. So you can click either one of these. Here we will be given two options. One is we can sign in into Google Chrome, and another one is stay signed out. I'll be showing you for both. So if you want to stay signed out, I will just click it, and here we can select the theme and just have a name. Let me just go and say work and click on done. That's it. Now if I go here, as you can see, I'm having the work Chrome profile. So by this way, you can create profiles without even signing in. Now let me show you how you can sign in and create a work profile. So exact same steps. Add Chrome profile, click on sign in. Now you need to sign in with the Google account. After you sign in with your Google account, you'll be having this customize your Chrome profile. Similar to that, you can have a name and change the color theme of the browser. Just click on done. Now we will be getting signed in, and if I close it and go to the default browser and click on this, here you can see I'm having two profiles. One is the profile that we created without signing in, and another one is the profile that we signed in with our Google account. Now each time when you open Chrome, you'll be getting who's using this Chrome. So based upon that, you can just select the profile of your choice. And now let's suppose say you want to create a desktop shortcut. You don't want to select it each time manually after opening Chrome. So for that, in the default Chrome, click on the Chrome profile. Here we are having manage Chrome profiles, and we'll be getting the default view where we will be able to choose the profiles. Click on the three dots icon, which is more actions, and select edit. We'll be taken to an interface where we can change the name, theme, and avatar. If you scroll down, here we are having create desktop shortcut on your device to access this profile directly. Just enable it. That's it. Now if I close it and come to my desktop, as you can see, I'm having that Google sign-in profile created. You can do the one for the non-Google sign-in account also. So if I directly now open it, it will be getting directly opened in the Chrome browser rather than me manually changing it. And you can even like simply pin it to taskbar. So if I close it now, directly that profile will be getting loaded. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.